The story of a nesting hole. Tree nesting cavities are excavated by woodpeckers and barbets because they have the strong, heavy beaks for this type of job. We'll start with the black-bellied starlings. I have been monitoring this particular nesting hole for about 5 years now. I have found that the main occupants of this nesting cavity are the black-bellied starlings. They use this nest through most of the summer, so I presume they raise more than one brood. Then the olive woodpeckers. I have noticed that the olive woodpeckers use this nesting cavity once the starlings have left at the end of summer. This is a cute little chick that is begging to be fed. The male arrives with a caterpillar for the chick. Then the Neisner woodpeckers. This is recent footage of a female entering the nest in the late evening to roost. No other birds were using the nest at this time, so it was using it as a roosting spot. The male is inspecting the cavity with views to maybe nest in it sometime. Then the pesky southern grey-headed sparrows. There is a lot of competition for nesting cavities by birds that are not able to excavate their own cavities. This southern grey-headed sparrow was inspecting this cavity, but it found it was occupied by black-bellied starlings, so it left. I also watched a common starling show interest in this nest, but it too found it occupied, so it moved on. And then the really pesky Lesser Honeyguide, which is a brood parasite. The woodpeckers and barbets have a very difficult time keeping these brood parasites out of their nests. This sneaky bird got in and it spent about 2 minutes in the nest before flying off. It tries to chase another one away from the cavity. This black-bellied starling was watching the honeyguide very closely. I hope you enjoyed this video. It has been very interesting monitoring the different birds at this particular nesting cavity over the 5 years.